GLUE stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether Monta Rose Therapeutics stock is a buy or not for me. So watch this short video till the end. Yeah, the way that I'm looking at this is interesting because today was only 1% down. I honestly was expecting maybe a bigger retracement, but I mean, I guess we didn't have it. Like what we had was not here. So you see, I was open to potentially taking it up if there was a 5-minute double break above it, but we never got it. And I guess I'll do just quickly get rid of this. I marked out the highs like that. And yes, we tapped something there. For me to really be bullish, I would love to see like a double break and whatnot, but like I'm not seeing really the environment here. Even if there's like a second break above it, I really would not care to buy. On the retracement lower and then a double break, then we're talking. Then we're really talking, because you have to understand, like after you do like a 30,000 videos, you're gonna see like a you're gonna have discretion, right? You're gonna see what has worked, what has not, because you have collected a lot of data. And this is what the level that I'm trying to get you to be. So I'm waiting in the meantime. If you want to learn to make more money by taking less trades, click the first link in the description and I'll see you in the next one.